present a highly efficient approach for head orientation and position estimation. This work is done during a collaboration between the KIT in Germany and the Robert Bosch GmbH. So the motivation is to obtain a head pose for driver monitoring. This is necessary, for example, to know the driver attention. For this kind of task, there are specific requirements. One is that in case of occlusion, we need a very fast reinitialization. That's why we present a frame-by-frame approach. Additionally, we need a high availability. Our approach achieves a zero miss rate. Then there is an extra limitation in case of automotive applications, the limited number of resources. And they are not only there to estimate the head pose. So our approach performs faster than real time with more than 300 frames per second. At CVPR 2014, Ren & Co. presented a very fast approach for facial landmark estimation from RGB images. Inspired by their work, we present a head pose estimation approach. Based on their method, we directly estimate the head orientation and head position. The input source is in our case depth data instead of RGB images. So having a video, we take each frame independently, and on each frame the starting head orientation is frontal and the head position is the mean inside the face region. So the goal is to estimate in each stage an update of the head orientation and position. Using the previous head orientation and position, we project local areas towards the face region, and using a random forest we obtain local binary features, and then using these local binary features we perform a global linear regression. The output of the global linear regression is the amount of head orientation and position change. With this amount we update the previous head orientation and position and then repeat this several times. So in the next stage we do the same process, but to get a refinement of the head orientation and position we minimize the radius of the local areas and use in each stage a new global linear regression. Then the new head orientation is updated. This is repeated several times. So for performance evaluation, we use the BV-Kinect dataset. This dataset consists of more than 15,000 images of 20 people. For each image, Fanelli & Co. provided the ground truth head orientation and position. The jaw range is ±75 degrees and the pitch is ±60 degrees. For performance, we performed a four-fold cross-validation on this database. We evaluated the head position and head orientation. We provide the results of a more accurate version using 9 stages and the faster one using 3 stages. Compared to state-of-the-art methods, we achieved competitive results, but we have a zero miss rate, and the main advantage is that we perform faster than real time with more than 300 frames per second. So you're welcome to visit my poster about highly efficient head orientation and position change estimation.